Hi everyone, good morning. I welcome all the students of Standard 10th. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, તમને ખબર છે એ પ્રમાણે આપણે આ દિવસોમાં શોર્ટ નોટ્સ લખી રહ્યા છે, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ શોર્ટ નોટ્સ કે જે અવારનવાર ભૂતકાળમાં પણ પૂછાઈ ગઈ છે એવી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ પર આપણે અત્યારે કામ કરી રહ્યા છે અને લગાતાર 5 જેવા યુનિટ આપણે પૂરા કર્યા છે. આજે યુનિટ નંબર 6 આઈ લવ યુ ટીચર, અને આ યુનિટની અંદર જે સૌથી અગત્યની શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એની આપણે ચર્ચા કરીશું. સો નોટબુક લઈ લો, રેડી થઈ જાઓ અને ક્વેશ્ચન 11 ટાઇટલ લગાવીને લખો, રાઇટ અ શોર્ટ નોટ યુઝિંગ ધ ગિવન ક્વેશ્ચન્સ, બ્રેકેટમાં 3 માર્ક્સ. ટોટલ આ ક્વેશ્ચનના 3 માર્ક્સ રહેશે. 2 શોર્ટ નોટ ફરજિયાત પૂછાશે, બેમાંથી એક શોર્ટ નોટ એકનું સિલેક્શન તમારે કરવાનું રહેશે. Number 1, Helen, a gifted learner. And the questions are, questions પણ નીચે લખી લેજો. What problem did she have? Next. Who helped her? Next. When did her teacher take charge of her? Next. How did the teacher teach Helen in the beginning? Next question. How did she learn to speak? Next. When did she pass her school exam? Next question. When did she join the college? Next. When did she start writing poem and stories? Next. When did she graduate? And the last question. Why did she say, I love you, teacher? Your answer is, મિત્રો, શોર્ટ નોટ લખવા માટે તૈયાર થઈ જાઓ. સ્ટાર્ટ રાઇટિંગ. હેલન કેલર became deaf, DEAF. Helen Keller became deaf and blind when she was very young, 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 full stop, continue. Since, SINCE, since she was deaf, comma, she could not speak. Since she was deaf, comma, she could not speak, full stop, continue. One day, comma, her parents, PARENTS, one day her parents found, FOUND, found Miss Sullivan, M capital, MISS, Sullivan, S capital, SULLIVAN. One day her parents found Miss Sullivan, comma, a teacher for the deaf, DEAF. One day her parents found Miss Sullivan, comma, a teacher for the deaf and blind, BLIND, and blind, full stop, continue. On the first day, comma, Miss Sullivan gave, GAVE, gave Helen, H capital, HELEN. On the first day, comma, Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll, DOLL, a doll, and made, MADE, and made some finger, FINGER, finger movements, MOVEMENTS, some finger movements on her palm, 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 full stop, continue. Helen, H capital, HELEN, Helen succeeded, SUCCEEDED, Helen succeeded, SUCCEEDED, Helen succeeded in imitating, IMITATING, imitating એટલે કે નકલ કરવી, imitating the movements, MOVEMENTS. Helen succeeded in imitating the movements correctly, 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 full stop, continue. કોમા કરજો. Soon she learnt, soon SOON, soon she learnt, LEARNT, learnt to spell, SPELL. I repeat the entire sentence again. On the first day, comma, Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll and made some finger movements on her palm, full stop. Helen succeeded in imitating the movements correctly, comma, soon she learnt to spell, full stop, continue. She learnt, LEARNT, she learnt to touch, TOUCH. She learnt to touch objects, 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 and spell, SPELL, and spell their words, THEIR, their words on her palm, on her PALM, on her palm, full stop, continue. The second stage, the second STAGE, the second stage of learning, LEARNING, the second stage of learning was based on, BASED, based on the sense of touch, the sense of TOUCH, touch, full stop, continue. Helen learnt, LEARNT, Helen learnt to speak through, THROUGH, through the movements, the MOVEMENTS, through the movements of the lips, LIPS, of the lips, and the vibration, VIBRATION, vibration in the throat, THROAT, full stop, continue. Helen also learnt to read, READ, to read and write with braille, with B capital, BRAILLE, with braille, as well as ordinary, ORDINARY, ordinary typewriter, 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 full stop, continue. She wrote, WROTE, she wrote poems, POEMS, she wrote poems and stories, STORIES, she wrote poems and stories, full stop, continue. When she joined, JOINED, when she joined the Redcliffe, R capital, REDCLIFF, R capital, REDCLIFF, Redcliffe College, C capital, COLLEGE. When she joined the Redcliffe College, comma, she knew, KNEW, she knew there were, WERE, there were difficulties, DIFFICULTIES, difficulties in her way, in her WAY way, but she was but she was eager, eager, to eager to overcome, overcome, overcome them, them, full stop, continue. The lectures, lectures, the lectures were, the lectures were spelled, spelled. The lectures were spelled into, into her palms, palms. The lectures were spelled into her arms, the lectures were spelled into her palms as rapidly, rapidly, as rapidly as possible, possible, as rapidly as possible, full stop, continue. She would note down, she would, would, she would note down, note, down, note down, whatever, whatever she remembered, whatever she remembered, remembered, when I went back, when I went, went back home, full stop, continue. She was the first, deaf, deaf, blind, blind, person, person, to graduate, graduate, to graduate, full stop. So મિત્રો, ફર્સ્ટ જે શોર્ટ નોટ છે, હેલન અ ગિફ્ટેડ લર્નર, એ અહીંયા પૂરી થાય છે. રાઇટ ડાઉન ધ સેકન્ડ વન. એન સુલિવાન, અ વન્ડરફુલ ટીચર, અને એના જે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે એ પણ લખેલું નોટબુકમાં. વોટ વોઝ મિસ એન સુલિવાન? નેક્સ્ટ. વેન ડીડ શી વિઝિટ હેલન ફર્સ્ટ? નેક્સ્ટ. હાઉ ડીડ શી ટીચ હેલન? નેક્સ્ટ. What did she do to satisfy Helen's curiosity? Next question. Did she continue teaching Helen when Helen joined her colleges? Next. What happened to her? Next question. What did she sacrifice for Helen? And the last question. What did she lose? When did she lose her eyes? So મિત્રો, અહીંયા આગળ આ સેકન્ડ શોર્ટ નોટ, એન સુલિવાન અ વન્ડરફુલ ટીચર. સ્ટાર્ટ રાઇટિંગ ધી આન્સર. રાઇટ ડાઉન. એન સુલિવાન, ANNE, S capital, SULLIVAN. Anne Sullivan was a teacher, for the deaf, DEAF, for the deaf and BLIND, for the deaf and blind, BLIND. Anne Sullivan was a teacher for the deaf and blind, full stop, continue. She taught, TAUGHT, she taught Helen, H capital, HELEN, she taught Helen to spell words, SPELL, to spell words, WORDS, words through, THROUGH, through finger movements, FINGER, finger movements, 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 finger movements, on her palm, 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 full stop, continue. She taught Helen to touch, 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 to touch different objects, to touch DIFFERENT, to touch different objects, OBJECTS, to touch different objects and spell SPELL and spell their names THEIR, their NAMES, their names on the palm, PALM, on the palm, full stop, continue. Miss Sullivan, M capital, S capital, Miss Sullivan, satisfied, SATISFIED. Miss Sullivan satisfied Helen's, H capital, HELEN apostrophe S, Helen's curiosity, એટલે કે જિજ્ઞાસા, curiosity, 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 full stop, continue. She taught Helen to speak through, THROUGH, through the sense of, SENSE, through the sense of touch, TOUCH, through the sense of touch. Miss Sullivan would speak, SPEAK. Miss Sullivan would speak a word, comma, and ask, ask Helen. Miss Sullivan would speak a word and ask Helen to touch her lips, to touch, TOUCH, to touch her LIPS, lips, and and throat, 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 slowly, 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 full stop, continue. Helen learnt, LEARNT, Helen learnt to speak through, THROUGH, through the movements, through the MENTS, through the movements of the lips, through the movements of the LIPS, lips, and the vibration, VIBRATION, and the vibration in the throat, THROAT, in the throat, vibration in the throat, full stop, continue. Miss Sullivan made, MADE, Miss Sullivan made learning, LEARNING, Miss Sullivan made learning more like, MORE, more like play, PLAY, more like play than, THAN, than work, WORK. Miss Sullivan made learning more like play than work, full stop, continue. Whenever, WHENEVER, whenever anything, 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 delighted, DELIGHTED, whenever anything delighted or interested, INTERESTED, or interested, Helen, H capital લખવાનો, HELEN, Helen, Miss Sullivan would talk, TALK, talk about, ABOUT, about that, as if, as if she were, SHE, she, WERE, she were a little girl, LITTLE, little girl herself, 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 full stop. I repeat the whole sentence. Whenever anything delighted or interested Helen, Miss Sullivan would talk about that as if she were a little girl herself. Full stop, continue. She taught TAUGHT, she taught Helen to read, READ, to read raised letters, RAISED, raised, LETTERS, raised letters, એટલે કે ઉપશેલા શબ્દો, raised letters, and then THEN, THEN, and then with braille, with B capital, BRAILLE, with braille, full stop, continue. Helen, Helen also, ALSO, Helen also learnt, LEARNT, Helen also learnt to type, TYPE, to type with braille, B capital, BRAILLE, with braille, as well as ordinary, ORDINARY, ordinary typewriter, 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 full stop, continue. Even, E capital, EVEN, even when her eyes, even when her eyes, EYES, even when her eyes became, BECAME, even her eyes became weak, 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 comma, Miss Sullivan continued, CONTINUED, Miss Sullivan continued to help, HELP, Miss Sullivan continued to help Helen, H capital, HELEN, Helen, full stop, continue. At last, LAST, at last, comma, she became blind, BLIND, she became, BECAME, ભૂતકાળનું રૂપ આવશે. At last she became blind, full stop, continue. She sacrificed, SACRIFICED, she sacrificed her sight, SIGHT, she sacrificed her sight for her student, 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 full stop. સો મિત્રો, અહીંયા આગળ યુનિટ નંબર 6 આઈ લવ યુ ટીચરની સૌથી અગત્યની બે એવી મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ આપણે પૂરી કરી. મિત્રો, જો તમને આ શોર્ટ નોટ્સમાં કોઈ જગ્યા આગળ કોઈ ક્વેરી હોય તો 9033624755 પર મને કોલ કરો યા વોટ્સઅપ કરીને તમારા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ મને પૂછો. જો તમે અન્ય શાળાના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ હોય તો પણ તમારા ઇંગ્લિશના જે શિક્ષક છે, બરાબર, એમની સાથે તમારે ચર્ચા કરી લેવાની રહેશે. તો આમ કરીને મિત્રો આપણે ટોટલ 6 યુનિટની મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ તમારા નોટબુકની અંદર પૂરેપૂરી રીતે સરસ રીતે લખાવી દીધી છે. તમારે શું કરવાનું છે તો આ બધી શોર્ટ નોટ્સને રોજબરોજ જોવાની છે, તૈયાર કરવાની છે, કારણ કે આ એવી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે જે ભૂતકાળમાં પણ પૂછાય છે અને આશા રાખીએ કે આવનારી જે પરીક્ષાઓ છે અથવા જે બોર્ડની ફાઇનલ એક્ઝામ છે એની અંદર પણ આપણે જે લખી છે એમાંથી ફરજિયાતપણે 2 શોર્ટ નોટ્સ આવશે જ, અને એમાંથી જે એક શોર્ટ નોટ તમે જે લખશો એમાંથી તમને 3માંથી 3 માર્ક્સ મળશે જ મળશે. મિત્રો, અહીંયા આગળ આ વિડીયો લેક્ચરને પૂરો કરીએ છીએ આપણે, અને નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ જ્યારે આપણે મળવાના છે ત્યારે યુનિટ નંબર 7 કચ્છ એન્ડ દેવ્યાની આ જે યુનિટ છે એની જે મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એને પણ આપણે આ જ ઢબથી નોટબુકની અંદર લખવાની છે. ત્યાં સુધી ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ગુડ બાય. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર બિંગ હિયર.